So here, if 3 men or 4 women construct a wall in 43 days, then in how many days that 7 men and 5 women take to construct? Here is also is given R. So that's why that means 3 men or 4 women. So construct a wall in 43 days. Construct a wall in 43 days. So then in how many days that 7 men and 5 women take to construct? So here 7 men plus 5 women in how many days will be required to take to construct? So that's why here that means 3 men equal to 4 women. So 1 man equal to 4 by 3 women. So here should be if we want 7 men plus 5 women. Convert into man or woman. So here also convert into woman. So 7 into 4 by 3 women, 5 women. So 28 by 3 women plus 5 women. That is 43 by 3 women. So this equation convert into 7 men plus 5 women in 43 by 3 women. So here already you know, so 4 women in 43 days. So 43 women, 43 by 3 women in how many days? So 43 cancel. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. So D1 equal to 12 days. Are you getting? Once again, if 3 men or 4 women construct a wall in 43 days, then in how many days that 7 men and 5 women take to construct? So that means 3 men or 4 women in 43 days. That is 3 men, otherwise 4 women can construct a wall in 43 days. That means 3 men equal to 4 women. So should be convert into 4 by 3 women. So here 7 men plus 5 women convert into women's. So 7 into 4 by 3 women plus 5 women, that is the 43 by 3 women. So here 43 by 3 women, how many days will be required? So 4 into 4 women in 43 days, 43 by 3 women in how many days? So 4 into 43 by 3 into D1. 43 cancel. 3 into 4, that is 12 days. This is the procedure. Can take shortcut. So 1 by whom you want? 7 men plus 5 women. 7 men, 5 women. So 7 by should be multiplied by 3 into 43. 3 into 43. 5 by here 4 into 43. 4 into 43. So then next you can take 1 by, can common 1 by 43 plus into, so 7 by 3 plus 5 by 4. So here 1 by 43 should be right. LCM is 12. So 28 plus 4 threes are, that is the 15. That means 1 by 43 into, so 28 plus 15, 43 by 12. 43 cancel. So 1 by 12. So that is the 12 days. Once again. So shortcut 1 by can take. So 7 men and 5 women should be put in numerator. So should be multiply 3 into 43. So men's side, then women's side is also 4 into 43. That because of 4 into 43. Men's are 3, that's why 3 into 43. Can take common 1 by 43. 7 by 3 plus 5 by 4. LCM is 12. So 4s are 28 plus, so 15, 43 cancel. 1 by 12, that is the 12 days. This is the shortcut. Okay. If 1 man or 2 women or 3 boys can do the piece of work in 44 days, then how many days the same piece of work will done by 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy? So 1 by, you can take. So here we want 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy. So then next should be multiplied by 1 man can do the work in 44 days. That is 1 into 44. Next 2 women can do the piece of work in 44 days. Next 2 into 44. Next 3 boys in 44 days. So 3 into 44. So here you can take common 1 by 44. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So LCM is 1 by 44. LCM is 6. 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 2s are. So here 6 plus 3 plus 2, 9, 11, 11 4s are. So 4 into 6, 1 by 1 by 24, that is the 24 days. Once again, if 1 man or 2 women or 3 boys can do the piece of work in 44 days, then in how many days the same piece of work will done by 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy. You can take 1 by because of 1 man, 2 women, 3 boys. So here but he asking 1 man, 1 woman, 1 boy. So put in numerator. So 1 into 44, mans in 1 man. So 1 into 44, 2 women. So that's why 2 into 44, 3 boys. That's why 3 into 44. So it will be common 1 by 44, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 6. So 6 plus 3 plus 2. So 4s are 4 into 6, 1 by 24. That is 24 days. This is also possible in procedure also. Should be converted into 1 man, 2 women, 3 boys in one equation. Otherwise, boys or women in man. So that is also possible. So next. Okay. 2 men and 3 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 3 men and 2 boys can do the same work in 8 days. In how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? So here 2 men end is given end, that's why you can take plus 3 boys can do the work in 10 days. So then next 3 men and 2 boys can do the work in 3 men and 2 boys can do the work in 8 days. So he asking in how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? Asking 2 men and 1 boy can do the work in how many days? So here work is always 1 unit. That's why should be multiplied cross multiplication. So 20 men plus 30 boys equal to 1. So this is the cross multiplication. So this is, so here 24 men, 16 boys equal to 1. That means one work will be complete in 20 men or 30 boys. 20 men and 30 boys work will be completed. So otherwise 24 men and 16 boys work will be completed. That means both are equal. So 20 men plus 30 boys equal to 24 men plus 16 boys. Because of work always 1 unit. So work will be completed in 20 men plus 30 boys work will be completed. Otherwise go to 24 men and 16 boys also work will be completed. That's why both are equal. So here 4 men equal to 14 boys. So 1 man equal to 7 by 2 boys. So 1 man equal to 7 by 2 boys. So substitute man in this. So here 2 men plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. That's why, so 2 into 7 by 2 boys plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. 2 to cancel, that is 10 boys 1 by 10. 1 boy equal to 1 by 100. Should we find men? Substitute this equation in 1 or 2. So 1. So 2 men plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. So 1 boy equal to 3 into 1 by 100 equal to 1 by 10. 2 men equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 300. So that is 3 by 100. 3 by 100. So that is 100. 10 minus 3, 7 by 100. 2 men equal to 7 by 100. 1 man equal to 7 by 200. So, one boy in boys only 100 days completed, men's only 100 by 200 by 7 days completed. But he asking 2 men plus 1 boy is in how many days? 2 men plus 1 boy in how many days? So, that's why 2 into 7 by 100 plus 1 into 1 by 100 equal to LCM is 100. So 2 into 7, 14 plus 1. So 15 by 100. That means in convert into days, 100 by 15. So here 14 plus 1, 15 by 100, that is 100 by 15, 520 is. So 520 is 53 is 20 by 3, so 60 by 3 days. 2 men and 3 boys can do the piece of work in 10 days, while 3 men and 2 boys can do the same work in 8 days. In how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? So here 2 men plus 3 boys 1 by 10, 3 men plus 2 boys 1 by 8. So in 1 unit work is 1 unit. So that's why cross multiplication 20 men plus 30, 10 into 2 20, 10 into 3 30. So 20 men plus 30 boys equal to 1. So the next 24 men plus 16 boys equal to 1. Because of work will be completed in here 20 men 30 boys work will be completed. So otherwise 24 men 16 boys is go to, so the work will be completed. That means both are equal. So here 20 men plus 30 boys equal to 24 men plus 16 boys. So for 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 7s are, so 1 man equal to 7 by 2 boys. So here 2 man plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. Substitute in the equation men equal to 7 by 2 boys. So 1 boy equal to 1 by 100. 2 men plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. That is, if you want man's, so 3 by 100, 1 by 10. So that is 2m equal to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 100. So that is 2 men equal to 7 by 100. 1 man equal to 7 by 200. If you want 2 men plus 1 boys, 2 men plus 1 boy, in how many days the work will be completed? So 2 men, so that's why that is the 7 by 100 plus 1 boy 1 by 100 equal to LCM is 100. So 7 plus 1, 8 by 100. This is the work. Convert into days, 100 by 8, 425s are 4 2s are, that means 25 by 2, that is the 12 and of days. Once again, here 2 men and 3 boys can do the piece of work in 10 days, while 3 men and 2 boys can do the same work in 8 days. In how many days can 2 men and 1 boy do the work? So 2 men plus end is given, so you can take plus, or is given equal. So 2 men plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. 3 men plus 2 boys equal to 1 by 8. So 10 into 2, 20 men plus 10 into 3, 30 boys equal to 1. So 24 men plus 16 boys equal to 1. So that means work will be completed either 20 men plus 30 boys work completed, otherwise 24 men or 16 boys and 16 boys work will be completed. That means both are equal. 20 men plus 30 boys equal to 24 men plus 16 boys. So 4 men equal to 14 boys. So 1 man equal to 7 by 2 boys. So 2m plus 3b equal to 1 by 10. So man equal to 7 by 2 boys. So 2 into 7 by 2. So 10 boys equal to 1 by 10. 1 boy equal to 1 by 100. That means, so 2m plus 3 boys equal to 1 by 10. 2m plus 3 by 100 equal to 1 by 10. So 2m equal to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 100. So 10 minus 3, 7 by 100. So 2 men 7 by 100. So, but he asking 2 men and how many days will be required? 2 men and 1 boy. So 2 into, so that is the 7 by 200. So that's why you can take 2m 7 by 100 plus 1 by 100. So 8 by 100. But convert into days, 100 by 8, 425 are 4 2s are 12 and half days. This is the most important. So, okay. 2 men and 3 women can finish a piece of work in 10 days, while 4 men can do it in 10 days. In how many days will 3 men and 3 women finish it? That means 2 men and because of n plus. So that's why 3 women in work in 10 days, that is 1 by 10. While 4 men can do it in 10 days. 4 men can do it in 10 days. So 1 by 40 part of work will be complete in 1 man 1 day. So while in how many days? 3 men and 3 women. So man in 1 man 1 by 40 part of the work will be completed. So this substitute in this first equation. So 2m. So that means m equal to 1 by 40 plus 3 women equal to 1 by 10. So 2 ones are 2 20s are. So 1 by 20 plus 3 women equal to 1 by 10. So 3 women equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. So 3 women equal to LCM 20, 2 minus 1. So women equal to 1 by 60. Part will be work will be completed in 1 day. But he asking 3 men and 3 women. So 3 men and 3 women, how many days will be required to finish it? So 3 men. So men is 3 by 3 into 1 by 40. 3 women 3 into 1 by 20. So 3 by 40 plus 1 woman 1 by 60. So 3 by 3 ones are 3 20s. So 1 by 20. So you can take LCM 40. So 3 plus 2. So that means 5 by 40 part of the work will be completed. So in convert into days, 40 by 5, 5 ones are, so that is 8 days. Once again, 2 men and 3 women can finish a piece of work in 10 days, while 4 men can do it in 10 days. In how many days will 3 men and 3 women finish it? So 2 men plus 3 women do the work in 10 days. So 4 men do it in 10 days. That means 1 man and in 1 by 40 part of the work will be completed. So that equation, so man work will be substituted in this equation. So 2 into 1 by 40 plus 3 women. So 2 ones are 2 20s are 1 by 20 plus 3 women 1 by 10. 3 women equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. So 1 woman equal to 1 by 60. So that is 3 men plus 3 women. 3 by 40 plus 3 into 1 by 60, 1 by 20. LCM is 40. So that's why 3 plus 2, 5. 5 ones are 5 8s are. That means 1 by 80 part of the work will be completed. So convert into days, that is 8 days.